Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a short clip, basically in Toca life, with me going basically to the campsite. Let's get started. Well, where should we go? I want to go to the movies. No, that's boring. Come on, guys. We need to go somewhere active. How about the campsite? That seems good. Plus, it's nice. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, then. Yeah, I guess that's good. Yay! We're here, guys. Hello. Are you here to stay? Yeah, we're just coming here for like a day trip or so. Okay, follow me. Come on, guys, let's go. Ah! No. Ah! Oh, wow. Yay, I want to play too. Wait for me. Yay! Yay! This is fun. I like it. Look, I found a beaver. We can be friends. Oh, come on. I'm coming. Me too. Wake up. Okay, come on. My friend will take it from here. Hello. Come on. Me too. Wait. The beaver slowed me down. Yay. Come on, let's go. Let's see the rest of the stuff. Have a good time. Thanks, we will. Now, I'm gonna do a few things, and, yes, make sure not to fall into this anytime it can go, so be careful of this. Won't really dig up. Come on, guys, we can go now. We can do something nice and fun. Yeah, sure. Wait up for us. Come on, guys. You leave the beaver. Okay, fine. Guys, look over there. I see something. It's definitely something good. Come on. Okay, I'm coming. Whoa. Whoa, that is nice. Yay, I want to go play too. Look at this tunnel. It's so big. Huh? Okay, we'll come too. Whoa, this place is really cool. Ah, this is nice and hot. Oh, wow, this place is really nice and warm. See, I told you. You guys are both right. Hey, what's this? Whoa, is that a little rock? I'll just check in the bag. Nah. Oh, I wanna see. Wow. Hello. Hi, Dale. The baby's having fun? Oh, well, I'm also having fun. This bear really knows how to stay warm. Look, I found a little bug. Look, we can take a selfie in here. Sure. Whoa, it got late fast. Come on, we should probably go. Yeah, I'll go get the tent or something. Here, I'll get the bag for us. Okay, I'm right behind you. Bye, little guys. I'll take the other baby. Come on, let's go. We don't want to get bitten by anything. There is lots of trees. I'm on night duty. Okay, I'm really tired. I'm gonna go to the other tent. Here, I'll move out the way so you can do it. Oh no, I'm behind that tent. Huh? What was that noise? Never mind, I'll just go back to sleep. They forgot a space for me. What am I gonna do? Oh no. Huh? What are you doing? You can take my spots if you want. Thanks. Here, you can go join your sister. Make sure to take your teddy. Okay. I don't really want to. No, wait, I do. Go join her. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye! Yum.